Okay, so this is my version of remote control lawnmower. I have switches here. I'm the laziest guy in the neighborhood, of course. And I have switches here that turn on the electronics. I have the other switch right here that turns on the alternator to charge the battery. I got so tired of recharging my battery every time. And so I got the driver motors there, one on the left, one on the right, of course. And I'm running it off of a lawn tractor battery of 12 volts. But there is my alternator, and you can see the alternator comes off a pulley that's on the drive shaft of the lawnmower, and it's wired up appropriately, of course. And so all I have to do, to start it is flip the switch like that, and